Building on a budget. What is cost engineering? You ever built something, maybe a deck or even a birdhouse? You've got a plan, right? Figure out the materials, how much they cost, how long it'll take. That's cost engineering, just on a smaller scale. In the big leagues, like building skyscrapers or launching rockets, cost engineering is serious business. It's about controlling the money and the schedule. Nobody wants a project to go over budget or take forever. Cost engineers, they're like the accountants for projects. They track everything, from the price of steel beams to how much the crane operator gets paid by the hour. And trust me, they sweat the details. These guys and gals use their smarts to find ways to save money without cutting corners. They're always looking for the best deal, whether it's negotiating with suppliers or finding a more efficient way to do things. The money men and women, importance of cost engineering. Think about building a bridge. You've got engineers designing it, construction workers building it, but who's watching the bottom line? That's the cost engineer. They're crucial to keeping projects on track. Without them, things can spiral out of control fast. Costs go up, deadlines get missed, and suddenly you've got a big mess on your hands. A good cost engineer is worth their weight in gold. They can make or break a project. And in tough economic times, their skills are more important than ever. Whether it's a small renovation or a massive infrastructure project, cost engineering is essential for success. It's about being smart with money and making sure projects get done on time and within budget. Saving time and cash, real-world cost engineering wins. Let me tell you about a time cost engineering saved the day. We were working on a big highway project and things were getting out of hand. Costs were soaring, deadlines were slipping. It was a mess. We brought in a crack team of cost engineers and they got to work. They analyzed everything from the price of asphalt to the efficiency of the paving crew. They found ways to streamline the process, negotiate better deals and cut unnecessary expenses. And you know what? It worked. They got the project back on track and saved millions of dollars in the process. That's just one example. Cost engineering has saved countless projects from disaster. It's a vital part of project management and plays a critical role in ensuring projects are completed successfully. Tools of the trade, from spreadsheets to software. So how do these cost wizards do it? Well, they got their tricks of the trade. Spreadsheets are their best friends, filled with numbers and formulas that would make your head spin. They use fancy software that can track costs, predict overruns, and even simulate different scenarios, and they're always learning new techniques and staying ahead of the curve. But it's not just about the tools. Cost engineers need a sharp mind, a keen eye for detail, and a knack for problem solving. They're the ones who can see the big picture and the small details at the same time. They're the unsung heroes of the construction world, the ones who keep projects running smoothly and on budget. So next time you see a building going up or a bridge being built, remember the cost engineers. They're the ones who make it all possible.